Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Glioblastoma multiforme and also the oligodendroglioma. So under this, first is the glioblastoma multiforme. So this is nothing but a necrotic tumor and it has a peripheral nodular enhancement. Next is the glioblastoma multiforme. There is a high-grade tumor. It is a high-grade tumor. That is the grade 4 of the WHO. The glioblastoma multiforme, it crosses the midline and involves the corpus callosum. There is a presence of the butterfly appearance. So butterfly appearance, or it is also known as the butterfly glioma. Now moving on with the oligodendroglioma. So oligodendroglioma, there is presence of the cortical calcification and also the presence of the fried egg appearance. And this will be present on the histopathology. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.